They say ink. Both office.
What the F is going on?
Now, guys.
This is getting creepy.
There's some psychic energy in this room.
So,
No, it's stapler.
stapler?
Stapler, right, okay. I don't know, that is about the worst jam that I've ever seen. That is, I mean, you must have like 5 or 6 staples, like each halfway through that little staple hole. I don't know how you did this, but this is gonna cost you.
Well, Brad, I mean, it just sucks, like, having to refill the stapler, like, so many times, you know?
But staples do run out. It's kind of a necessary evil.
Janice over there hogs all of the staples.
I've worked on Janice's stapler. She keeps it in tip-top shape. You know, Tom, it's tough work being a stapler repairman. Honestly, this is one of the worst things that I've seen.
Really?
Yeah. This is going to cost you, Tom. This is going to cost you big.
I just hate how I always have to take the fall. I mean, Janice is always has her shit together, but she's such an uppity bitch that...
She is.
I mean, I
But
should be around.
Tom, there are things more important than being good or being a bitch. Mostly taking care of your stapler outranks everything else. Who cares if you're mean as long as your stapler staples 5, 10, 15, maybe even 20 pages. That's pretty good. That's a good life. It's hard seeing such beautiful machines so destroyed. I feel like a doctor opening them up and bringing them back to life. It's hard to see something so beautiful so far downcast and hurt. But I love my staplers, every one of them. They're like my children.
Brad, I don't know what to say. Everyone should treat each other with peace and harmony. Staplers are just mere objects. Janice treats her staplers well, but she smells bad. And that is harmful to human beings. Brad, there are people dying in Africa. You can say what you want to. Spend all your money in the best staplers in the world.
That's true, but I think that we just have a difference in our point of view. We just have a difference in our point of view. We just have a difference in our point of view. Because I think that the world's problems could be solved if people took better care of their staplers. And owned better staplers, oiled them every day, and didn't skip on staples. Cause nothing like a cheap staple ruins a good stapler. Buy the good stuff, it'll pay for itself in the long run. Don't you understand? Staplers are my life. I love my staplers. I love my staplers. I love my staplers. I love my staplers. And certainly other people have shortcomings outside of their stapler life, but staplers are such a good way to tell if a person is a good person, if they have a passion, if they're meticulous, if they pay attention to detail, because it all comes out in your stapler. When you look at a person's stapler, it's like staring into their soul, looking them deep in the stapler, and understanding who they are at the core of their person. You understand. Look at it. And Tom, it frankly looks like might have some trouble at home, or something going on deep inside. If you ever want to talk, I'm here for you.
Brad, how did you know that I was addicted to crack cocaine? Brad, you now know that I'm addicted to crack cocaine. You can see it
In the stapler. In the stapler. In the stapler. Well, Tom, I know some people who will go to a meeting every week. If you want to join, I'm sure they'd be happy to have you, Tom. We're friends. Tom, we're going to beat this together.
Yes, we will.